Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, if you have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and your front power windows do not work, I'm talking about the left and the right window, not just one of them. We'll guys show you which fuse to check. There is a fuse that controls the front power windows and there is a fuse for the rear windows. We have all those videos on the channel, guys. Also, we'll have more than 200 videos. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, like, subscribe to the channel, guys, and drop a comment below with your recommendations. So we have a 2015 Chevy Cruze, guys, but it will be the same for the whole generation from 2008 to 2016, guys. So let me show you now. I'm going to turn the ignition on. Okay, and let me show you now. The windows do not work, guys. Okay, ignition on, windows do not work. So they don't work at all, guys. Okay, I'll check the left one, nothing. Okay, I'm going to go to the other side. Okay, let me see. Nothing, guys. So what I'll do, I'll turn the ignition off now. Okay, we'll turn the ignition off and we're going to go ahead and see which fuse, guys, okay, which fuse is for the front power windows. So I'll show you guys just in a second. Now, need to open your hood. Next to the battery you have a fuse box. And this cover, guys, okay, it has only 3 clips holding it. So those you need to press towards each other. And pull it up, guys. Okay, when you press towards each other, pull up. I'm going to show you how that thing works in just a second. So once you remove it, guys, okay, we need to locate fuse number 24. Fuse number 24, guys, it's a JK fuse. This is the square fuses like that one. 24 is this fuse right here, guys. This is for the front power windows, this is for the rear ones. How you guys remove those? Okay, that fuse puller, there is one clip, pull it back and pull the fuse puller up. Now you need to, okay, spread it by pressing on the back side, get on top of the fuse. Okay, you grab it and you start pulling it, guys. Okay, with 2 hands. Probably that thing will be stuck big time. Eventually it comes out, guys. This is the fuse now. Usually looking at the screen, okay, you can tell if it's a burn fuse or not. In our case, okay, it's a little bit hard to tell because you can see that element is under the 30. So what we can do, okay, to test that fuse, we can use a voltmeter, guys. Any voltmeter would work. Okay, you need to check the continuity of the, okay, of the fuse. We have that that voltmeter that's very good, guys. Check it out, listed in the description of the video below together with the fuse. All the parts and tools that we use are listed there. Now, if the fuse is good, okay, stay with us, we will show what the bad fuse looks like and what the good one looks. Okay, now, I don't have, guys, anything on the screen, nothing's changing, so I'll grab the new one quick. Okay, and let's see now, it should be the same color, amperage, it should be the same fuse, guys, at the same size fuse you're using. And it shows zeros, guys. Okay, you can see. So that means, okay, I'm just losing the connection a little bit, perfect. That means that we guys have a good, okay, good working fuse now right here. All we have to do, press it in. Okay, perfect. Put your clip here so we don't use it, we don't lose it. Now I'm going to go ahead, turn the ignition on. Again, the same step. And check out now the windows, guys. Left and right one, both of them work with no problem. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.